Hi guys, it's Sad. Welcome back to Warthog Defense. We start this video with a new testimony of how Russian soldiers are afraid of Ukrainian drones. We continue with a new attack by the Himars on the Russian column, and we will also see Elon Musk's explanation of how his Starlink ended up in Russian hands.
Russian war tech blogger colorfully describes the FPV problem in Avdiivka, says it's the natural selection situation for Russians. The 1.3 kilometers run to Tsarska Okhota in the south is particularly difficult. They're ignoring alerts because there are just too many of them. Kamikazes are buzzing in the air. You already ignore them. The sky is buzzing. After the 50th vzh and the command air, some accept fate and stop hiding, diving into the bushes and shooting back. If it kills you, then so be it. Not everyone can fight for life and overcome their fear, but some also help others. Natural selection in action. We can say that only those who have a reason to live pass these 1.3 kilometers. The most used, accurate, effective weapons of this period are kamikazes and drops. There are very few gunshot wounds. 2 years of SMO have passed. In December 2021, they told us, the Army has everything. In December 2023, it became clear that what was needed was not available. They've screwed up everything, gentlemen generals. Grubnik, famous Rus volunteer, told you 1,000 times, the front needs ready-made solutions. And what did you do? You came to Kovacs, drone producer, for a ready-made solution from him. This is not how it works. Intellectually, we are screwed. Putin said there is a problem with drones. Has the military-industrial complex adjusted? No. Why? No one can decide to recognize 20 years of development of our military science as complete crap. Do you want to understand what Putin talked about with the general staff? Come. A walk of 1,300 meters to the Tsarska Okhota, and you will pray to return to the past and engage in EW, spades, drones. You were painting curbs instead of developing electronic warfare. Kept journals instead of researching radio signals and producing components. Live with it, creatures. Don't trust the TV. It broadcasts from Moscow. Come yourself. Ukrainian Himars crews detected a column of Russian Kamaz Ural vehicles. 2 decided to stand next to the road somewhere on the left bank of the Kherson region. Then they got paid a visit. Elon Musk is denying that his Starlink system is sold to Russians. A number of false news reports claim that SpaceX is selling Starlink terminals to Russia. This is categorically false. To the best of our knowledge, no Starlinks have been sold directly or indirectly to Russia. Either the use of Starlink by Russian forces is a successful Russian disinfo campaign based on limited deployment of the system in a few separate units without a chance of it expanding further, or Musk is categorically lying. Several Russian sources spoke about using Starlink. Ukrainian HUR confirmed this. However, given Musk's recent rhetoric towards supporting Ukraine, there's every reason to suspect he is lacking. Russia Mi-8 helicopter crash in Karelia, February 7th. Instead of 1,000 words. Yesterday in Khimki, Moscow region, about 10,000 Russians formed the letter Z at the start of the mass race, Ski Track of Russia 2024. Ukrainian experts from the State Research Institute of the Armed Forces, KNDSE, are conducting an investigation into the Russian missiles used in the attack on Ukraine on February 7, 2024. Preliminary findings suggest the use of the 3M-22 Zircon missile based on markings, component identification, and weapon-specific features. The missile targeted an area devoid of military objects, resulting in damage to civilian infrastructure and casualties. Further expert analysis will have to provide detailed information.
I hope you liked this video. Stay with Warthog Defense. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.